Today we will see some of the working of Moon Invoice Pro application. Let's begin. To start, you'll first need to set up a company for the application. Once this is done, you'll be able to generate invoices and other PDFs for the company. You can either create a new company or edit an existing company through this tab. Just click on the company that you wish to edit, click on the edit icon. You'll be able to enter your company name, VAT number, address, phone number, email address, and your company URL through this page. You can also select your desired currency by tapping on the currency and click Done. You can input a company logo for your company, choose a signature as per your wish. The template style option will allow you to choose from different available templates for your PDFs. You can also choose a customized template as per your wish. The option will also allow you to make formatting changes to your PDFs. Click on the email template option to create a template for your emails. You can choose from different available parameters to add to your email. There is also an option to input different accepted payment types. Click on this option, select the payment type that you wish to enter, click Done. The Companies tab will also allow you to set up default notes for your PDFs. Click on the Save option once you are done and all your changes will be saved.